User Account Dashboard. Upon logging into your account, you'll be redirected to the initial page of your dashboard. By clicking on this icon, you can select the language, and here you can view system notifications. In the panel of the Account section, you can access the following features. Tickets section. Contact the Payment4 support team by creating a ticket, assigning a topic, and sharing your technical, invoice, or product-related challenges. You can click here to be directed to the Ticket section. Here you can view account settings, complete or edit your profile information in account setting. And in Security, enable two-step verification for enhanced protection when creating a wallet or submitting a cultivation request. In Sign-in History, you can view your past sign-ins. In the last section, you can request an invitation code to extend invitations to friends and acquaintances. With each successful invitation and registration, you'll receive a reward in new account. After clicking on this section, you can view the number of successful registrations by using your invitation code. Create a wallet and cultivate your share, rewards, from successful invitations.